Here I've got ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the camera app, make sure that you're in photo mode, and now tap on settings icon. Here you will notice timer, so just grab it and pick 1, 3, 10 or even 20 seconds delay. Let me pick 3 seconds delay. Now you can go back, and now, as you can see, the picture will be taken after 3 seconds. So there's a countdown and then the picture is grabbed. If you would like to turn off this feature, just mark the settings again, pick timer and click on off. And now, as you can see, it will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.